Hello, special pillars. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, I say a big welcome to you. So today, I'm going to be showing you how I clean my refrigerator and yeah, how I downsize like everything that is left inside and just use leftover vegetables for um cooking something really yummy and simple. So let's get into it. First of all, I'll clear the freezer section and take out the shelves to wash them. Yeah, I don't just wipe these ones. I prefer to bring them out and wash them in the sink with soap and water. That way I can get all the dirt out. So next I'm going to spray with this multi-purpose cleanser. And then I go ahead to just wipe down everywhere. So yeah, I'm done cleaning the freezer section, and this is a really small freezer, but it's serving me for the time. It's small, but it's not really so small. Yeah, you'd be amazed at the amount of stuff that this space here can contain. Okay, so I just put back the shelves and return everything that I took out from the freezer, and that's it for the freezer. Okay, so I am done with the freezer. I'm now trying to do the same for the fridge compartment. Take out everything inside there. I don't really have much inside this fridge because, as I told you, I'm trying to downsize, and yeah, the leftover vegetables, I'm going to be using them to make something really yummy. So I need to get this fridge as empty as possible, and so that I can restock. The next video is going to be the restocking video, guys, so that we don't make this video exceptionally long. People don't like long videos, and this one is already very long. Okay, so yeah, just spray the multi-purpose cleanser and start cleaning as well with a kitchen towel. So while cleaning, yeah, I just try to wipe every single corner of the fridge properly. Already, I've taken out all the shells in the door from the fridge door, and some of the containers inside the fridge for washing. Yeah, it's necessary to wash those ones under running water. I think wiping them, it's not really helpful because they're like containers, that they have depth, so you want to be able to remove any single mess or anything that is still stuck in there. I don't think wiping will be able to do that job as well. Okay, guys, so that's it. I'm done. Can you see how clean that fridge is? It's really very clean, and yeah, I think I'm happy with the job that I did. At the time of filming this video, I was pregnant, heavily pregnant. Yeah, so and sometimes I had to sit down to do this, but I did it anyway, and I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, I'm done with it. I'm going to start putting back the shelves and just putting back all the things that I took out from the fridge. Yeah, so I also wiped the bottles, the sauce bottles, and just put everything back. As you can see, this is the finished look. Practically empty fridge. This is. Can you see, guys? Yeah. So don't worry, we are going to be filling this fridge up very soon. This is the finished work. I think it looks clean enough. I will also wipe the body of the fridge, like the door. I don't know if this happens in your home, but my fridge always has fingerprints, palm prints, all kinds of oil, even crayon like colors, pencil marks, all kinds of things, markers. Yeah, from my precious little ones. Yeah, and they're just back from the kindergarten. By the way, I made that lovely hair you can see here. Yeah, I did that. So I'm done, and yeah, just to show you again the finished work. See, um, yeah, the freezer and the fridge. Okay, thank you. I will go ahead and just use all the remaining vegetables that I have in this fridge to prepare beef stir fry and mashed potatoes. Yes, mashed potatoes. Mm. Yeah, so guys, like I said, as you can see, all the vegetables here, except for that onion and maybe some of the garlics and the garlics. Every other thing here, none of them is complete. No one, there's not a single vegetable here that is full. The cabbage, the lettuce, these carrots that I'm chopping right now, and even the capsicum. Well, they've been there for so long that I had to use them to be able to get in other ones, other stuff in the fridge. Yeah, so chop up everything nicely. Uh, chop the cabbage, chop the lettuce, slice the carrots, slice the pepper in long, thin strips like this, and slice the onion, mix your garlic, get everything ready because this cooking is going to be really fast. So when everything is ready, put your pan over low to medium heat and put in some olive oil in the pan. And yeah, we're ready to cook. Right. Add the onion and just stir those until the onions start to caramelize, and then you can add in your garlic and just keep stirring. Just I think you can pretty much follow the cooking. It's really very simple and straightforward. Yeah, so when the onions have started to caramelize, add in your beef and stir. Try to make them each one of them to like touch the surface as much as possible, and some salt, black pepper, stir. Yeah, this is stir fry. Add some beef seasoning as well. Right, so when the meat is almost ready, you just add in those vegetables, the bell peppers, and stir. I'm also going to go ahead and add the carrots that I just that I sliced. Yeah, and so it's obvious. Apparently, this pan is not gonna contain this, so I immediately switch pans and just pour everything into a bigger pan. So I also go ahead and add chopped lettuce and cabbage. Everything is just little vegetables that I just have in my fridge. Yeah, so I go ahead and add, of course, leftover barbecue sauce. I just stir everything together. The sauce is basically ready. Yeah. So I mean, this is kind of funny, but if I don't do this, I'm going to have all kinds of leftover in my fridge. So you can't just like go ahead and just restock when there are things like have eaten apples, have eaten oranges, have eaten carrots, have used stuff everywhere, and you just go and stock up again. No, I don't do like that. So I need to, yeah, finish what I have almost to an extent before buying other things. So I already have this potato that was boiling on the side. I added some cheese, covered it up, and then I'm mashing it with the potato masher. I've also prepared orange slush for the hot afternoon. It's really hot these days in Hong Kong, so yeah. And I'm just going to serve that. These oranges were really extra sweet. So when I added the ice cubes, it was still just sweet. So I just served that orange, and yeah. After that, I'm going to also like serve the food, and everybody's going to eat lunch, and everybody will be happy. Yeah. Kindly let me know how if you do what I do here, like trying to finish up on some things that you have in your fridge before like filling the fridge up again. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. The next video is going to be about yeah, the things I have in my grocery bag and how I you know, kind of restocked my fridge. Yeah, and that's it. I'm really grateful that you stayed up to this moment. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and tap on the notification bell so that you will be updated immediately once a new video drops. Okay. See you. Bye bye. God bless you.